Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and as you can see, currently I am on the video mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Make sure that you're on the, not the video, sorry, on the photo mode. Make sure that you are on this photo mode because the settings which will open are different between the modes. So they are connected tightly with the photo mode or the video mode. So right now we have to enter the settings, and we can do it just by tapping on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got four different options, one off of course, and the 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me set 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will simply take a photo. And basically that's all. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back to this section and tap on this kind of clock icon or timer icon. It will be highlighted differently, so in this grayish color, light grayish color, and from now on you can take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.